What if there was a cryptocurrency that could join the ranks of the top 100? Imagine a bustling marketplace teeming with digital currencies vying for a spot in the elite list. The crypto world is a fierce battlefield where only the innovative and resilient survive. There's an ocean of promising newcomers, but the journey to the top is filled with hurdles. Yet, amidst this competition, some gems shine brighter than others. Today, we will explore one such cryptocurrency that has the potential to make it big: Energi. Energi, a name you might not have heard of, yet one that holds immense potential. Born out of the passion and foresight of its founder, Tommy World Power, Energi was conceived in mid-2017. The basic idea behind this cryptocurrency is not merely about transactions, it's about creating a self-funding and self-governing blockchain. Energi's primary focus is on three critical aspects: decentralization, scalability, and security. The idea is to create a platform that is not just decentralized, but is also capable of scaling up to meet growing demand. At the same time, Energi puts a heavy emphasis on security, ensuring that users can transact with confidence, knowing that their investments are safe. This cryptocurrency is not just another addition to the long list of digital currencies. It's a platform that aims to shape the future of blockchain technology. Energi isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's a platform with a vision. But how does Energi work? What makes it different, you may ask? Well, let's delve into the nuts and bolts of this intriguing cryptocurrency. At the heart of Energi lies its unique treasury system. This self-funding mechanism allocates a portion of every Energi coin mined to fund the platform's operations and future growth. This self-sustaining model ensures that Energi can continue to innovate and evolve without being dependent on external funding or donations. It's a system designed to fuel the engine of progress, continually pushing Energi forward, but the innovation doesn't stop there. Energi has taken a proactive approach to security with Energi Defense, a dedicated cybersecurity division. This team of experts works tirelessly to protect the Energi community from hackers and cyber threats. In the wild west of the crypto world, where threats lurk around every corner, Energi Defense is the sheriff in town, ensuring the safety and security of its community. Lastly, let's talk about Energi Impact, the platform's philanthropic arm. In a world often criticized for its lack of social responsibility, Energi stands apart with its commitment to making a positive difference. Energi Impact focuses on various charitable endeavors, from environmental conservation to education, making Energi more than just a cryptocurrency, but a force for good. These unique features, the treasury system, Energi Defense, and Energi Impact, are what set Energi apart from the rest. They're not just features, they're pillars that uphold Energi's vision of what a cryptocurrency can be. A self-funding, secure, and socially responsible platform that's not just about creating wealth, but also about creating a positive impact. With these principles in place, Energi isn't just surviving in the crypto world, it's thriving. It's not just another cryptocurrency, it's a platform with a vision of a secure, sustainable, and socially responsible future, powered by the boundless potential of blockchain technology. With its unique features and robust platform, Energi is poised to make a significant impact in the crypto world. So, has Energi got what it takes to join the top 100? Let's delve into that. Energi's potential lies at the intersection of its unique features, strong community, and ambitious roadmap. Firstly, its self-funding treasury system sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies. This feature ensures sustainability and continuous development, which is key for long-term success. Secondly, Energi's community is its backbone. These dedicated supporters and users provide the energy that powers this ambitious project. They're the ones spreading the word and driving adoption. Thirdly, Energi's roadmap is nothing short of ambitious. From expanding its ecosystem to introducing innovative features, the team behind Energi is committed to growth and evolution. All these factors combined suggest a promising future for Energi. Could it break into the top 100? It's a possibility that's as exciting as it is challenging. Only time will tell if Energi can make it to the top, but one thing's for sure, it's a cryptocurrency to keep an eye on. And that's a wrap on our exploration of Energi. We dove into the world of cryptocurrency, introduced you to Energi, walked you through how it works, and revealed its potential. We hope this journey has been as enlightening for you as it has been for us. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the world of cryptocurrency.